Bard was doing research. Practice, theory, practice, theory. You have something in your mind, you will discuss, go to the village, practice it, and again you will theorize it. This is a continuous process of Bard research. And if you forget that action research theme and do not nurture the action research theories, your research will not Bard's legacy. It's not carrying Bard's legacy. It's another thing. Our university colleagues are here. They do a lot of researches, very quality research. They do publish in the foreign journals, and they get 3 points. If it is published in the foreign journal, then it gets 3 points. If it is in the country club journal, 1 point only, or no point. What does this point gives us as nation? Few lakh research are produced. Very few research are being read. Thousands of journals are published. Journals article has got 3 to 4 readers. The person who reads it, who wrote it, and the person who has reviewed it, and the editor. Many of the readers of the journal articles are only 3, and some may be having more. Those who are doing the same research in other way, they do read the research. But you will find a long list of research articles they have read when they are reading, writing the research. It's boas. Most of them are boas. It's copying from one to another. The research Bard was doing in the Abdul Khan's days and after liberation, why these researchers were regarded worldwide. It's not that language, English language was very good, first class English, no. Because those researchers used to talk. It's not only written. When you read them, it's talking. What they have done in the field is talking. And you can see what they did. So this is the Bard's research tradition. Hundreds of topics have been brought here. All are important. All are important. One institution, special institution, will not do all these things. These are the problems of whole Bangladesh. Bangladesh Academy of Rural Development cannot solve all the problems of the country. You have your limitation. Limitation of resources, limitations of expertise, and you have a legacy which you can carry through. So I think excitement has to be checked to some extent in somewhere. You cannot be excited to do everything and each and everything. Say, Chor is an area, new area, Bard is working. I appreciate that. Formerly, nobody worked on Chor. Kabi Madrasa is another area you have ventured. This is needed. This is very much with the legacy to go through it. There are a lot of scientific issues. This is not a scientific institution. Lone person is there in one field. The lone person cannot do justice to the subject. And you will not get this all scientific equipments and supports to do the scientific research. Why you should not venture with the scientific researches. Scientific research will be done in agriculture, university. They have got a lot of faculties. Okay, keep links with them. Try to carry out their researches in the field. You cannot do it. Food sector, the big sector. You have 2-3 faculty members who can do this, but there is a limitation. But as a Professor Dorawan said, you have to construct the narratives. Strong narratives you have to construct, and under that narratives, many people will do research on the same field. That will be your success. Because you know the link, you know the village, you have linked with the villages. No other institution in Bangladesh has got the link you have got. The legacy you are carrying. no second institution in this country. So that strength should not be forgotten. একজন অসহায়ত্ব বড় কোনো কারণ নেই, আমার এটা নাই সেটা নাই, আমার যা আছে এটা কারণ নাই। The things I have, nobody is having it. So আমার কি নাই সেটা নিয়ে ভাবার দরকার নাই, কি ছিল এবং আছে এখনো তা নিয়ে আপনাকে আগানো উচিত। আমি অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত, আই এম ভেরি হ্যাপি। লট অফ নিউ এন্ট্রেন্টস are there, very brilliant new entrants, very fairly recruited new entrants are there. And there is a tendency now in Bangladesh, everybody want to be PCS. So many of the brightest recruits will leave for PCS. Let them leave, but it's a mission. Working in Bangladesh Academy for Rural Development is a mission. If you have a mission to succeed, you work here. You will be successful within 10 years. You can reach to your goal within 10 years, but you have to have a 10 years plan. Within 1 or 2 years, you cannot achieve it. You have to have a 10 years vision and goal. You will be, surely you will be successful. The whole country will know you. Whole country will know you. So I have my way of